Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video of this Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI Blue Drive Premium, 4-wheel drive, 5-door, 7-seat configuration. This particular car has done just under 2,300 miles as a one-owner car as well. It does come with the remainder of the 5 years manufacturer's warranty as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, this is a Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRD Blue Drive Premium 4-wheel drive. This is a 7-seat configuration, registered 2018 on an 18 plate. The car has done just under 2,300 miles. Is a one-owner car, as you would expect, and comes with the remaining of the 5 years manufacturer's warranty as well. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to come and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.